Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Mukul Hossain from Mukul's Academy and to welcome you all to our today's session. The word we are going to talk about today is this one. What is the exact pronunciation of this one? Though we pronounce it camera, but the exact pronunciation of this word is not camera. It's camera. You see, there are two syllables in this word. First one is cam and the second one is ra. So we can say camera. Just repeat after me. Camera. Okay, we see some example. I would like to buy a new camera in this month. I would like to buy a new camera in this month. My father gave me a new camera in the previous month. My father gave me a new camera in the previous month. So from today we should pronounce it camera. So that's all for today. But one thing, if you want to improve your English speaking skill, you can join with us by clicking subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.